Are you interested in making money online passively? Well, welcome to the digital passive income revolution. If you're looking for ideas on how to use ChatGPT-3 to make money online in as little as a few hours per day, you're in the right place. Be sure to smash the like button. Pictory.ai is a powerful tool that can be used to generate content for videos. It allows you to import written content and select a voiceover artist to bring it to life with a professional quality voiceover. Imagine being able to generate a video in just a few hours, rather than spending days or even weeks on the production process. With Pictory.ai, you can do just that. And the best part is, you don't need any special skills or experience, just your written content and a few clicks. So, what is ChatGPT-3? It's a language generation model developed by OpenAI that can generate human-like text. It has the ability to understand and respond to prompts, making it a useful tool for content creation. However, it's important to note that ChatGPT-3 is not perfect and still requires human oversight in the creative process. Using ChatGPT-3 can greatly streamline the content creation process, saving you time and increasing efficiency. It's especially useful for tasks like generating product descriptions or creating social media posts. Let's start by generating a script outline for a YouTube video on affiliate marketing using ChatGPT-3. Copy the script and head over to Pictory.ai using the link to this video in description to create an account. It's free. To use Pictory.ai to voice over and create a video, follow these steps. Click on the Create New Project button. Import the written content for your video tutorial. You can do this by typing the content directly into the editor, or by uploading a file from your computer. Select a voiceover artist for your video. You can browse through the available options and listen to samples of their work to find the right fit for your project. Customize the settings for your video, including the length, language, and tone of the voiceover. Preview your video to make sure everything is to your liking. When you are satisfied with the results, click the Create Video button to generate the final product. Download the video to your computer or share it directly to YouTube or other social media platforms. Using ChatGPT-3 and Pictory.ai is a powerful and efficient way to create a high-quality video. We encourage you to try using these tools yourself and share your own videos on social media platforms like TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. By posting and sharing your video regularly, you can gain followers and increase engagement with your content. So why wait? What if I told you that this video was made on Pictory.ai? What if this wasn't even a real person speaking to you now? Be sure to like and follow to stay up to date with the latest ideas and innovations in the digital passive income revolution.